CSR, corporate social responsibility in India, has entered a new phase, and its development that could refine the future of CSR in the country. On 27th May 2026, Minister of Corporate Affairs introduced an amendment to Schedule 7 of the Companies Act 2013. Subscription to zero coupon, zero principal instruments on stock exchange. This means company can fulfill their CSR obligation by subscribing to zero coupon, zero principal instruments listed on stock exchange. Stock exchange refers here to social stock exchange. So, what exactly are these instruments? How does the social stock exchange work? And why this amendment is creating so much interest among the corporates and social enterprise? Let's explore. Before we understand the amendments, let's first understand the platform behind it. Social Stock Exchange, or simply SSE. This is like PSE, NSE. Now, when we hear the word stock exchange, we usually think of the companies raising money for business growth. But the social stock exchange serves an entirely different purpose. Its objective is to connect organizations working for social welfare with people and institutions willing to support them through a transparent, regulated, and accountable platform. Introduced by SEBI in 2022, this social stock exchange operates as a dedicated segment of both NSE and BSE. It allows eligible non-profit organizations and certain for-profit social enterprises to raise funds while maintaining high standards of governance, disclosure, and impact reporting. Who can list on social stock exchange? Now this arises an important question. Every NGO or social enterprise become the part of social stock exchange? The answer is no. The eligible criteria are quite stringent. For non-profit organization, registration as a charitable trust, society, or Section 8 company is essential. They must also satisfy minimum operational history, funding requirement, and possess necessary registration. For profit social or enterprises, the business itself must primarily focus on solving recognized social problems, with the majority of activities and revenue aligned towards these objectives. Every listed organization must comply with the detailed disclosure requirements, governance standard, and periodic social impact reporting. Understanding zero coupon, zero principal instruments. Now let us understand the term zero coupon, zero principal instrument, or ZCZP. Unlike traditional bonds or debentures, these instruments pay no interest and return no principal. Then why should one subscribe for it? Because the objective is that it's not a financial return, it is a social impact. You can think it of as a donation, but one that is channeled through a regulated and transparent market mechanism. Now, next to Bhavita to know more about this.
On 27th May 2026, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs issued notification. Through this notification, a new item 13 was inserted into Schedule 7 of the Companies Act 2013. What does this mean in practical terms? It means that companies can now treat subscriptions to eligible zero coupon, zero principal instruments listed on the Social Stock Exchange as a valid CSR activity. When does this become applicable? The amendment became effective immediately on 27th May 2026, the very day it was published in the official gazette. But compliance doesn't stop with making the investment. Companies should also review and update the CSR policy, annual action plan, and wherever required, obtain the necessary board approvals. So, how far has the social stock exchange progressed? The ecosystem is steadily evolving. As of May 2026, around 92 non-profit organizations were registered on the BSE Social Stock Exchange, while approximately 84 organizations were registered on the NSE platform. However, only a relatively small number have actually issued zero coupon, zero principal instruments and successfully raised funds. This tells us the regulatory framework is already in place. Let's make this even more simpler with an example. Imagine ABC Limited has a CSR obligation of rupees 1 crore. Traditionally, the company might donate directly to the charitable organization. Now there's another option. ABC Limited can subscribe to rupees 1 crore worth of zero coupon, zero principal instruments issued by a healthcare-focused non-profit organization listed on the Social Stock Exchange. The organization receives transparent and accountable funding. ABC Limited records the subscription as eligible CSR expenditure under the newly inserted item 13 of Schedule 7, where everyone gets benefits. So, it represents a shift in the philanthropy of corporate social responsibility in India from traditional philanthropy to structured, transparent, and impact oriented funding. Thank you.